I want this place to be a place where people can come and grow and better themselves so that they can go out into the world after work and do great things for the community around them and do great things for their families. We have things available to them to use on break times like the basketball net. The yard is available to them. We have hiking trails out back that they can use.
At Christmas, we like to take the guys out for a nice dinner, or sometimes we'll take them out to a hockey game. We do a monthly breakfast meeting. We go through the financials of the company, the jobs that we did really well on, and the jobs that didn't go as well as we thought they should have. Brings the team up to speed with where we're at, and hopefully we can all achieve the same goal if we're all kind of steering towards the same goals.
Working here is kind of like hanging out with a lot of your buddies that you've known for a long time, and everybody just has a let's get it done attitude.
Everybody's really friendly and outgoing, and there's a lot of whistling and singing going on, so it's awesome. There's just a lot of trust, and it's really easy to approach each other.
The cooperation here and the communication is amazing. I've never found this in any other place that I've worked, and the business runs because people care about it.
The management is good here. They're ready to listen if you have any issues or questions or concerns. They're always have an open ear, and they're always ready to help in whatever way they can.
When you're sitting in the lunchroom and the owners of the company are sitting in there with you when you're having break, and that makes the employees feel like you're part of the company rather than just somebody who shows up and works their 8 hours and goes home.
We want our team members to flourish, so we meet them where they're at. We try to facilitate the training that they may need to be the best person that they can possibly be and turn out the best product that they can possibly turn out for our customers in the end.